Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Mermaid Garden is probably one of the most enchanting and whimsical additions you can make to your home or outdoor space, bringing a touch of oceanic magic and serene beauty right to your doorstep, with its intricate designs and vibrant colors that evoke the feeling of a hidden underwater paradise, making it a truly captivating centerpiece that sparks imagination and wonder for all ages. Number 5. MUAMAX Miniature Mermaid Garden Stakes. Bring a touch of magic to your space with these adorable miniature mermaid figurines. They are crafted with excellent detail, perfect for adding charm to any setting. Made from high-quality poly resin, these decorations are built to last. They are both lightweight and incredibly durable, ensuring they can be enjoyed for a long time. These charming pieces are ideal for both indoor and outdoor decoration. Create a whimsical fairy garden on your veranda, in a terrarium, or even a dollhouse. Looking for a unique gift? These delightful mermaids are perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They are sure to be loved by adults and children alike. Each mermaid measures approximately 3.5 by 1.5 by 4 inches, with a 5.2-inch stake. Their compact size makes them perfect for adding a special touch to planters and small landscapes. What we like? This set offers charming miniature mermaid figurines with durable poly resin construction, perfect for both indoor and outdoor decor. If you are looking for a starter kit to create a fairy garden or add a touch of whimsy to your planters, this is an excellent choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for terrariums, dollhouses, or simply enhancing your existing garden spaces. What people say. The Mermaid Garden is a beautifully designed playset with intricate details that capture the imagination. This playset features a working water pump and a slide, providing hours of interactive fun for children. The durable construction ensures that the Mermaid Garden can withstand outdoor play and last for years to come. Number 4. HYALINE and DORA Blown Glass Jellyfish Air Planter. Introducing a unique piece of hand-blown art. This exquisite glass creation brings a touch of the ocean into your home. Its adorable jellyfish design is sure to capture attention. It's crafted to look like it's floating, just like in the sea. This holder is designed to beautifully display your air plants. It comes with a secure clamp to keep your plant in place. Watch as sunlight works its magic through the glass. The vibrant blue hues create a stunning visual effect, especially by a window. Hang it anywhere to add a touch of nature. It's perfect for balconies, gardens, bathrooms, or living rooms. Looking for a special gift? This unique piece makes a wonderful present for friends, or for occasions like birthdays and holidays. What we like? Experience the magic of hand-blown art glass with this unique jellyfish hanging planter, designed to catch the sunlight beautifully. If you love unique, artistic decor and want to add a touch of the ocean to your space, this is perfect. It's ideal for displaying air plants or succulents in windows, balconies, or any area where you want a stunning, eye-catching piece. What people say. It has a hook to hold the air plants and can be hung in small areas near a window. It is well made with great detail, color, and design. The cord that runs through the center of the glass jellyfish moves up and down, has a wire on the underside to make it easy to attach your air plant. Once you have it secured, either by bending the wire or using a rubber band, then when you hang it up, the wire tucks up inside the glass jellyfish, so all you see is your cute little air plant which acts as the tentacles of the beautiful jellyfish. It is a heavy glass, which I prefer, and the colors are really nice. I would highly recommend if you are looking for something different and unique for an air plant. Easy to attach said air plant and remove too. Number 3. Design Toscano Meara the Mermaid Swimmer Statue. This distinctive beauty is designed in 2 pieces, appearing to dip below the surface. With a shapely tail and flowing tresses, she is truly unique garden decor. Artist Candace Pennington sculpted this full-figure temptress. She beckons your cares away with a beautiful siren's call, bringing the freshness of an ocean mist. This statue is hand-cast using real crushed stone bonded with durable designer resin. It is topped with a faux verdigris finish for a classic look. This mermaid sculpture is exclusive to our brand. She is a true maritime beauty, seemingly swimming through your flower bed or lawn. Our unique swimming mermaid outdoor decor piece measures 16 inches wide, 7 inches deep, and 7 inches high overall. It weighs 5 pounds. What we like? This high-quality, hand-cast statue features a striking verdigris finish and a unique two-piece design, making it appear as if it's swimming. If you desire a statement piece for your garden, patio, or pool area that evokes a sense of seaside beauty and artistry, this is the one. It's perfect for those who appreciate detailed sculptures and want to create a dramatic focal point. What people say. It is very well made and level of detail is astonishing. She is perfect. Nice size, which I was pleasantly surprised even though I did read the measurements. Muy bonita serena, me gusta la forma que adapta al dar la impresión de estar sumergida, este efecto lo tiene un pueblo aquí con una estatua enorme de un nadador, para uso particular esta es preciosa, muy recomendada. Number 2. Angel Girl Fairy Garden Statue Bird Feeder. Add a touch of mystery and enchantment to your home with this captivating fairy pond. It's an adorable addition to any fairy village, garden, or yard. This lovely fairy angel statue can serve multiple purposes. Use it as a bird feeder for water or feed, a charming flower pot for succulents, or even a unique key holder. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted from the finest materials, measuring 7.5 inches wide. It's beautifully hand-painted and finished with an elegant patina bronze for lifelike detail. Designed for both indoor and outdoor enjoyment, this statue is suitable for any space. Place it in your garden, patio, balcony, or even indoors to add charm. Looking for the perfect gift? This inspirational decor is the best choice for garden enthusiasts or lovers of fairy statues, making any yard more charming. What we like? Add a touch of enchantment with this fairy angel statue, featuring a beautiful patina bronze finish and multiple uses. If you're seeking an inspirational decor piece that can serve as a bird feeder, water bath, or even a key holder, this is a versatile option. It's ideal for garden lovers or anyone wanting to add a charming, functional, and detailed sculpture to their yard or entryway. What people say. Item is small, about 7 in diameter, and fairy appears around 4.5. It looks very nice. It is a bit lighter than I'd expected, but I'm confident a gust of wind won't take it. It's plenty deep enough so that those silly birds won't spill it all over while looking for their favorite seeds. The birds and squirrels quickly got over the little figure on the rim of the bowl, and soon another watering hole was launched. It's lightweight and the capacity does fine for our purposes. Number 1. Hasviey Light Up Mermaid Terrarium Kit for Girls. Discover a magical world with this enchanting mermaid terrarium kit. It's designed to spark creativity and imagination in young minds. Featuring colorful, embedded LED lights, this kit creates a mesmerizing glow. The innovative design ensures safety and eliminates tangled wires. Build and customize your very own miniature mermaid garden. Let your child's imagination run wild as they create a unique ocean environment. Watch as sparkling crystals create a magical mermaid night light. The included remote control with a timer function adds convenience for bedtime. This all-inclusive DIY craft kit provides everything needed for hours of creative play. It's a wonderful way to enhance hand-eye coordination. Looking for an exciting gift? This light-up mermaid terrarium kit is perfect for birthdays and holidays, offering fun for the whole family. What we like? Spark imagination with this innovative light-up mermaid terrarium kit, designed for hours of creative fun. If you are looking for an engaging DIY craft activity for kids that also doubles as a magical night light, this kit is perfect. It provides everything needed to build a miniature mermaid garden, fostering creativity and hand-eye coordination, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and set up. The design is beautiful and fits perfectly in my garden. It's a great addition to my outdoor space, adding a touch of magic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.